inquiry in the Chamarajanagar shootout.
CBI inquiry, sir. Panneerselvam, former chief minister.
This is a federal structure. No state should interfere with any state's administration. Panneerselvam or anyone should have the basic culture. I can't involve in any of the Tamil Nadu law and order problem. Own states have own problem. They should also know that we know how to protect our state. Let they do their job, we will do our job. I don't want to interfere with their administration. We have to protect our whatever the sanctity is there of our state.
CM Vijay says it's not acceptable. Yesterday CM Vijay also made a
I don't want to comment on everything. It is a general this one. They should do their job, we should do our job.